Отключение питания.
Oh my god. That motherfucker just flipped his truck right in front of me. Yup. Oh my fucking god. And I'm on the wrong highway.
Following message is brought to you by Airbnb. All of my joys in life.
I think the evidence supports it, and I think this is a really good hire by the Los Angeles Chargers. Also, New Orleans Saints tight end Coach Dan Campbell, he is set to become the next head coach of the Detroit Lions. This guy's coach, he's played in the
Why are you fucking braking?
Lane to stay to the right. Say a command.
fuck? Come on. Wow.
They go quickly. It's starting to work 2-minute drill. Poetry in motion when Tom Brady's out there running the 2 minute. Closer, and that means Justin Tucker will come on to try to show off.
Come the f nerd. The f Oh God, oh God, oh God, holy shit. Wow. Fucking idiot. God damn it. Jesus fucking Christ. Hey man, where you going? Where you going? You gotta get off the road, man. You gotta get off the road, man. You're gonna get killed. You're gonna get killed. Go on the right side, walk back, man.
shoulder here. They ain't gonna, oh shit, he's pulling out, motherfucker.
I'm hitting the brakes, You got it, jump in.
Stupid motherfuckers, man.
I'm think we both heated our brakes up on that one.
I think I might shit myself on that one.
We'll send him the dry cleaning bill for your underwear.
Well, that little Ford Explorer up here just almost bit him right in the ass, too.
Ooh, you really heated your brakes up.
You looked at me like, what did I do wrong?
I'll send him the bill for my brake jobs too.
Oh crap, man. That's just crazy.
Need to put that frickin' phone down.
I know it's pretty bad. It can't get my little